Yeah.
Hello, I'm Aaron.
I'm Chang.
I'm Cheng Min. We're from YMP2A. We're at Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. This is the route that we took.
Bukit Timah Nature Reserve is a 163 tropical rainforest located near the geographic center of Singapore. Famous for containing Singapore's highest natural peak, Bukit Timah Hill at 163 meters. Fun fact, the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve is incredibly diverse, home to an estimated over 500 species of wildlife, and is one of Singapore's oldest protected areas.
For Bukit Timah Nature Reserve ecosystem services, there are 4 main points. Firstly, regulating services. Bukit Timah Nature Reserve helps store carbon dioxide because the trees absorb carbon dioxide from the air and store it in their trunks, roots, and the soil. This helps slow down climate change. It also helps reduce flooding. The trees and their roots slow down rainwater and let it soak into the ground instead of flowing away quickly. Secondly, for supporting services, Bukit Timah Nature Reserve is home to many plants and animals, including the long-tailed macaw. It also has a healthy nutrient cycle. Dead leaves and branches are broken down by fungi and insects, returning nutrients to the soil so new plants can grow. Provisioning services. Bukit Timah is a suitable home for long-tailed macaques because it provides food and shelter. Native fruiting trees such as fig trees give them food, while the tall trees and dense canopy give them safe places to rest, sleep, and move around. Cultural services. Bukit Timah Nature Reserve is also a place where people can hike, learn about nature, and do research. It helps people understand why Singapore's rainforests are important and worth protecting. Bukit Timah is suitable for long-tailed macaques because there are plenty of food from native fruiting trees, leaves, and insects. There are also many tall trees for climbing, resting, and sleeping. Dense canopy gives shelter and protection. Many trees make it easy for them to move around. A healthy rainforest provides everything they need to survive. So this is the ecosystem services for the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve.
Bukit Timah Nature Reserve experienced significant structural changes because firstly, by the mid-19th century, extensive logging and widespread gambia and pepper plantation reduced the broader forest cover, leaving only small patches intact. Secondly, the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve was contiguous with the Central Catchment Nature Reserve. The construction of the Bukit Timah Expressway split these two major ecosystems apart, permanently isolating wildlife and reducing natural gene flow. The reserve also experienced edge effect alternation because the reserve is tightly surrounded by dense, fast-developing urban condominium belts and highways. The abrupt boundary between the urban landscape and the forest has altered local microclimates, leading to shifts in atmospheric temperature, humidity, and light penetration.
The organism we have chosen for this document is a long-tailed macaque, which is a native species to Southeast Asia. Their tails is longer than their body for balance. They have grayish-brown fur and white eyelids. Males are much bigger than females. They eat mostly fruits, insects, and crabs. Sadly, the population have experienced drastic reductions, dropping by an estimated 50% to 80% over the past 3 generations due to massive native forest deforestation and conflict with human communities. Deforestation has a great impact on the long-tailed macaque, so they adapt by increasing urban foraging. Since habitat loss causes scarcity of natural fruits, the long-tailed macaque shifts diet to human food waste. The decrease in population of long-tailed macaque also has an impact on other animals in the food web. Long-tailed macaque disperses the seed of the fruit that it eats. As the population of long-tailed macaque decreases, less seeds would be dispersed, negatively impacting on small mammals which relies on the trees for food and shelter.
Singapore's forests are precious, but they need our help to thrive. Real changes begin with each of us. You can make a difference by joining tree planting or nature restoration activities, and by visiting our forests responsibly, staying on marked trails, and never leaving litter behind. Every small action helps protect wildlife and preserve these forests for future generations. So, will you be part of the movement to conserve Singapore's forests and inspire others to do the same?